Hey loves, today we're going to do a 100% Revolution tutorial. The only thing that I don't have that I can think of is lashes. I haven't picked up any of their new lashes, but I think we have every other thing covered. If you guys don't know, if you're new here, Revolution is probably my absolute favorite makeup brand of all time. I love Revolution, I love ColourPop, I love Shop Miss A, I love the affordable brands that put out really good makeup. So Revolution has been one of my favorites from their start. And I'm going to use pretty much all my favorite products, and I'll tell you why I love them as I use them, and everything will be linked down below for your convenience. Before I jump into the video, please subscribe if you have not already. We upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. We do makeup, we do plus size fashion, we do wellness, we do vlogs. So if you're into any of those things, hit the button. Let's be friends, okay? Okay, let's do this. All right, I have just put in a little bit of moisturizer on my face, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a primer. One of my absolute favorite primers is this Revolution Pro Featherweight primer. I also really love the Pore Blurring Primer by Revolution. I'm just going to, I like this one because I can draw hearts on my cheeks like a total nerd. A little over here, a little over here. You guys, this is my absolute favorite foundation of life, of all time. This is Revolution Conceal and Define. I also do enjoy their hydrating version of the same one, but the original is my personal favorite. I have combo skin, if that helps you out in any way. The only shade that I have right now is F2. I really need to go pick up more. And F2 is normally my mid self-tan shade, but I'm very fair right now. So I am going to mix a little bit of the Hydrate in, kind of make it match me a little bit better. Oh, we should do hearts again. Oh, we can do hearts in this. I always forget there's a pump. The concealer we're going to use is the Revolution again, obviously. I'll say Revolution way too many times in this video, but this is the Conceal and Define concealer. It's my favorite. I love it. It's one of my top 3 concealers, I think, of all time. I'm a fan. This is in C2, which is a little bit dark, so I might have to mix something lighter with it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not prepared. I'm also going to prime my eyelids at the same time as I'm doing my concealer. This is the Revolution, I did it again, Cut Crease Canvas in Illustrate. It's their fair shade. I love using this as a eye primer. I just mixed it with concealer or whatever. Finally getting down to the very bottom of this. I need to make an order, you guys. Clearly I'm very behind. So let's see if we can get away with this concealer. I'm just going to tap it out with my beauty sponge. Oh yeah, we're going to be fine. The powder we're going to use today is just the Revolution Translucent Powder on my under eyes in the areas that need to be set. Put a little bit in the cap. Just going to tap it into there with my damp beauty sponge. I feel like when you use a damp beauty sponge, it helps it not be so drying. My nose is definitely my oily area, so I'm going to put a little extra around there. My smile lines. Right, we're going to use the Revolution Pro Microblading Effect Brow Pencil in Taupe, like an Anastasia Brow Wiz dupe. I dropped it. Get your life together. I'm going to speed through this because I feel like brows are so boring, you guys. I feel like brows are so boring. So I'm just going to do my thing. I need a mirror. Try and tilt my head back so you guys can see what I'm doing. This is very warm. This, she's looking warm. That's fine. I'm gonna go in and clean up my brows a little bit. Just using some more of that concealer. Okay, let's go in with contour. This you can clearly tell that I have been absolutely loving. This is the Mega Bronzer in Cool. We're just gonna contour. I'm gonna use this brush from ColourPop. It's the F13, which looks really weird for a contour, but what I like to do is to draw it on. That was really heavy, Shannon. That was a lot. That was a lot. Oh well. Now I gotta even it out, right? It really buffs that out. That looks 10 times better already. Oh yeah, bring that warmth. Bring that warmth, girl. This little blush I've really been loving. I know these look real nasty, you guys, but this is proof that it's been in my makeup bag. And I keep most of my makeup down in my beauty room where we're at right now, but I keep like makeup bags and stuff upstairs. I don't like to come downstairs to do my makeup every day. I'm not one of those people that needs like this whole setup. I will sit there with like a compact mirror. It's very weird. Anyway, I really love this blush. It is the Blusher Reloaded in Sweet Pea. You guys know I live for a glowy blush right now, but as far as like an everyday solid blush for anyone, especially if you're fair, if you are not fair, I would get a different shade, but if you are fair like I am, then this is the perfect shade because it's so hard to go overboard with this one. So I guess it's the perfect blush to put on your nose too because it's not too much. All right, love, so I really want to use the I Heart Revolution Sprinkles chocolate palette today, but it's all shimmer, so I am going to use a little bit of the Creme Brulee palette as well. You guys know I love these chocolate palettes. I'm a huge fan. They're the cutest. They're the cutest. Like, I feel like even if there's one that the color story doesn't really speak to me, I still want them because I want to collect them all. And now I'm like 5 behind. I'm so sad. I need to place a Revolution order. Let me know down below what your favorite new Revolution items are so I could check them out, because I definitely in the next month I need to like budget in a Revolution order because I need foundation. And when you gotta order one thing, you might as well order more, right? I think I want to do something kind of yellowy, goldy, so this is gonna be perfect. This is such a good palette. We are going to start with Caramelized, I think. Beautiful shade. Just gonna put it in the crease. We're gonna go back in with the Creme Brulee palette, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of, is this Vanilla Bean? Oh, Vanilla Pod. Vanilla Pod. We're just gonna blend that on the outer corner, deepening the outer V. I'm taking more of Caramelized, that first shade. I'm putting it heavily in the inner corner. I think I'm gonna do a cut crease, and I never really put enough up there, I feel. We're gonna go back into Vanilla Pod. Just a tiny bit and put it on this outer corner. I'm just packing a little bit of it on the upper lid and then really tapping it off and putting whatever's left down here. All right, before we move on to the next palette, I am going to take this white shade right here, which is Dust, and highlight the brow bone. All right, so we are going to do a cut crease. I'm gonna go back into my absolute favorite, the cut crease canvas. Love this, love this, love this. I like to just put it on the back of my hand and work from there. I feel like it's easier to control, but you can use the little brush that is with it. All right, all right, all right. Now that we've got our cut creases on, kind of messy, but it's cool. Now we're going to go into the Sprinkles palette. So cute. I think I want to do Toffee and Fizzy, which these two are Toffee and Fizzy. Don't mind my nail polish. So we're going to go in with Fizzy first, and then Toffee. Ooh, girl, it's so pretty. I'm just using my fingertips to kind of blend these two together. I'm just gonna go back in with this brush. I haven't put any extra product on it yet, but I probably will go back in with this dark brown, and I'm just buffing these edges. All right, loves, I think we're gonna add a little bit glitter because you know me. If you don't, welcome, we like glitter here. I'm gonna go into the Hot Pursuit glitter palette. I think I wanna use a little bit of these two just over like the orange over the orange and the gold over the gold. I'm going to try and not use too much because I don't want fallout. I could use glitter glue, but I don't feel like it today. Just a little bit over. I'm putting a little bit of passion. Oh my god, 3 just fell out. Okay, I feel like that happened the last time I used this palette and I completely forgot. So be very careful with this, don't hold it up. But we're gonna use these two. The orange, which is passion. Pop that right on top of the orangey. And then we're gonna use a little bit of ignite, which is the gold. Put that on top of the yellow. I just want like a little peeky peek, a little glitter. We're just gonna go with that, just a little bit. Go ahead and put on a wing. I'm gonna use the Revolution Renaissance Flick liner. This guy is my favorite liner from them. If you don't love a bold wing, this might not be the one for you, but if you like a bold wing, girl, you're gonna love this. And this is so good at covering glitter. Honestly, there's nothing like it. And I was just thinking how this is the liner that just keeps on giving, and now it's like getting low. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara. I'm gonna let these little dots dry before I try and get them off. I'm gonna use my current favorite mascara, which is the Revolution, of course, Blowout Mascara. I really love this. I feel like it's a more natural mascara Revolution, which I love that one too. But for just like everyday, I just love it. I do not have any Revolution lashes, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on some Shot Miss A lashes. These are in Jessica. I'm excited to use these. I have not tried these ones before, but they're really long and fluffy. So I'm gonna go ahead and go pop these on and I'll be right back. All right, so we have the lashes on, feeling good. Time for a highlight. Oh my goodness. Which one you want? Both of them? Yeah, me too. Me too. I asked Luna, she went. So we're using both. Highlighter Reloaded. This one is Set the Tone, I think, and Just My Type. Just My Type. I love this. It's really close to my actual skin tone, so it's a really nice, beautiful, kind of subtle glow. Like, oh, it's so pretty. Pop that everywhere. A little on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm also going to take this on my brow bone, just a tiny bit, under here. Now we're gonna go in with Set the Tone, which I believe is, it's part of it's covered up. I don't know what happened, lash glue or something like that. So pop that right up here. Focus it a little more where I would actually put my highlight because I drug that other one down a little lower. You don't have to put on as much as I do, but if you want to, we can glow together. I'm gonna go back in with my blush brush and just blend that a little bit on the apples. Then I'm gonna go back in with my damp beauty sponge and kind of set it and soften it. Yes. I think we're gonna go back into that highlight really quick and highlight our inner corner. Pop it right. Oh yes, right there. Oh yeah. Okay, let's do lips. Do we want to venture? Probably not. Let's use my favorite lip products. We're gonna use Revolution Chauffeur, my favorite. I am probably gonna lighten it just a little bit in the center. We are gonna use a little bit of chocolate chip cookie dough, my favorite. Alright love, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Nearly every product I use in this video I absolutely love. I think the only one that I hadn't really used a lot is the brow pencil. In that one, it was just, the color was slightly off for me, but not bad at all. I think that I just want to try another color, but I absolutely loved it. I love literally all of the products. That's 100% real. This video, of course, is not sponsored. There are affiliate links down below if you would like to use them. It just shows Revolution that I sent you. It gives me a very small commission and helps support this channel. Okay, I think that's everything. Let me know your favorite Revolution products down below. Let me know what brand you want to see a full tutorial of next down in the comments. I think that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. We upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. Hit that notification bell if you are a returning subscriber so you can be notified every time I upload, because I do upload those bonus videos, so they'll surprise you. But for sure, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 12 p.m. Pacific time, you will see my videos here on my channel. All right, that's everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Of life. This is my absolute foundation. What? This is my absolute foundation. I can't speak. Looking like a raccoon, girl. This you can totally We're gonna go back in with the creme brulee. We're gonna go back in with the creme brulee if I can speak. Shannon. Ooh, I don't even know if I put those back in the right. No idea. I'm just gonna smush them on down in there and hope that they're in the right pans. Shannon can't speak. I really cannot speak today. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, that glow. Oh, that glow. Oh, that glow. Get it together. Get it together.